Hello everyone. This video will show you how to use Zoom to have a meeting with me. I post information on D2L. In case you cannot get access to D2L, you need to type this address. I have online office hours Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday from 2:30 to 4 or 4:30. If outside the office hours, you are welcome to make an appointment with me. So just click the link. With Zoom, you don't need to install anything. You just click Launch Meeting and join from your browser. You need to type your name to tell me who are you. And click this. So first you are getting a waiting room because I may have a private conversation with another student, but I will say you are waiting. So I will let you in as soon as I'm available. Now you are have a meeting with me. A good thing about Zoom is we can share screen. Just click this button. I have two screens. I need to choose which one to share. This is the preview. Now I can see your screen. In case you have any issue, you can share your screen with me that I can see what's going on, that I can help you. When we finish, you just can stop share and leave meeting. So use Zoom is so easy. So please feel free to ask help. Thank you.